Have you ever felt like the universe is trying to tell you something, but you just can't understand the message? Get ready, because after April 1st, everything will change. A powerful cosmic shift will open the door to success, luck, and surprising events. But here's the twist: only 5 zodiac signs are set to receive it. If you're one of the 5, your destiny could change forever. So don't ignore the signs. The stars are aligning, and your moment may be coming soon. Astrology is not just about the horoscopes you read in the newspaper. It's an ancient map written in the stars. It guides us through the most important moments of life. We have an extraordinary event coming up. After April 1st, a rare cosmic alignment will occur. An event that astrologers say hasn't happened in a long time. But not everyone will be affected by it. Only 5 zodiac signs are set to benefit. For these lucky ones, the doors of opportunity, success, and unexpected wealth will open. It could be a sudden career boost, a financial win, or simply being in the right place at the right time. This is a journey they will never forget. So if you have been waiting for a sign to make your dreams come true, this is it. The universe is speaking. And if your zodiac sign is on this list, your journey to abundance is about to begin. There are moments in life when everything seems to suddenly align. Suddenly, things fall into place. Opportunities appear out of nowhere, and you feel like the universe is working in your favor. April 1st marks the beginning of one of these rare moments. According to astrologers, this is where a powerful cosmic alignment begins to unfold. An energy wave that can change everything. After April 1st, Jupiter, the planet of expansion, luck and grace, will move into a position that strengthens ambition, sharpens intuition, and opens new paths, especially for 5 specific zodiac signs. When combined with the changing energy of the moon phase and the awakening influence of Mercury, this time becomes a magnet for progress and fulfillment of desires. But not everyone will feel this change to the same degree. It is like a radio signal. Only those tuned to the right frequency will hear it clearly, and these 5 lucky signs, truly tuned in, whether through bold action or sudden opportunity, a pattern of perfect timing may begin to manifest in their lives. For some, it may take the form of financial success. For others, it may be new love, a career leap, or a clear understanding of the spiritual and the most amazing part. Most of them will not see it right away. Not until they look back and realize that it all began after April 10. So if you are facing delays, confusion, or have been waiting for a change for a long time, stay alert. The cosmos is setting the stage, and if your sign is among the chosen 5, this could be the beginning of a new chapter in your life. 1. Aries, your inner fire is about to ignite. If you are, get ready, because your inner fire is about to explode into extraordinary success. After April 10, the stars align in your favor, and the universe is finally catching up with your relentless desire to succeed. You are always the brave one, the warrior, the dream chaser. But recently, you may have felt like your energy was being held back. Delays, missed opportunities, and setbacks may have made you wonder if you are losing your ning. All of that is just the calm before the storm of opportunity. Jupiter's powerful transit will illuminate your house of ambition, which means your strongest moves are about to be rewarded. You may receive an unexpected call. A project starts to take off, or an influential person notices your work. Whatever it is, you can feel the stars saying, "You're in it." And it's not just luck. It's the right timing. You worked hard for it. You took a gamble. Now, the unstoppable energy of Aries is in tune with the movement of the universe, and it can't be ignored. Think about it. You walk into a room with an idea you've been hiding for a long time, and you don't know that it's the one someone has been looking for. Or you decide to try, change careers, launch a business, start a new life, and suddenly everything falls into place. That's the power of this alignment. The right person, the right time, and the right energy will come together for you. But there's one condition. You have to act. This is not the time to be indecisive. The ego doesn't wait. And during this time, your courage is your most powerful weapon. So trust your instincts, light a match, and let your fire burn. The universe is watching, and finally, it is ready to deliver. Taurus. The seeds you have planted are blooming. Taurus. You are the kind of person who believes in the power of patience. While others are in a hurry, you wait. You plant carefully, water faithfully, and have faith that in time, everything will come to fruition. And now, after April Fool's Day, that time has come. This cosmic shift is not just a wave of luck for you. It is a harvest. The universe has been watching you silently as you have worked hard, been faithful and remained steadfast. Now, it is responding. Jupiter's new position is flooding your house of value and stability. This means a financial boost, security and recognition. Not as a gift but as a reward for your hard work. Think about it. A long-held investment suddenly has a high value. A small sideline starts to bring in a steady stream of income. Or maybe a long-held dream like buying a house, launching a project dear to your heart, or getting recognized by someone who truly sees your worth starts to come true, and all of this will start to move after April 10. You will feel it in subtle ways at first. A conversation that feels like it has potential. A hunch that tells you to take a little gamble. A door that has been closed for a long time suddenly opens. Don't ignore these signs. This is the universe's way of saying it's your time. But there is something deeper going on. Taurus is not just about money. It is about value. And this time will remind you of how valuable you are. You will notice that you are more confident in yourself, your speech is stronger, and you attract more people who truly value your energy. This is your time to take root. The stars are strengthening and strengthening you. You are being prepared for a time of prosperity and peace. All your quiet sacrifices will come back to you not in the form of noise or chaos, but in the form of solid and powerful results. So stay grounded, Taurus, but hold your head high. Your roots are deep and your life will blossom in ways you never thought possible. 3. Gemini. Your words will open doors that no one can close. Gemini, you were born with a voice that can touch emotions, a mind full of ideas, and a heart that yearns for freedom. After April 10th, your ability to communicate will be your golden ticket. While others are looking for an opportunity, it may come to you with just a conversation, a message, or a seemingly ordinary encounter that will change the course of your life. This cosmic wave activates your house of expression and connection. Jupiter, the planet of abundance, amplifies your voice not only in the way you speak but in how people listen to you. And during this time, they are truly listening. Think about it. That email you've been meaning to send. That pitch you've been afraid to deliver. That video, blog, podcast, or even a simple conversation that's just in draft. It's a time when the stars align to make your words captivating, powerful, and unforgettable. But it's not just about the right words. It's also about the right timing. After April Fool's Day, your ideas will hit the right person at the right time. Someone important is watching, listening, waiting, and you don't have to scream to be heard. Just speak your truth. You might suddenly get an invitation for a partnership. A job opportunity might come from an acquaintance of an acquaintance. You might suddenly become famous or noticed in a way that opens new doors. Whether you're in business, the arts, media, or another field, your voice is your asset. The universe, for us, is multiplying it. And more than that, this time will bring clarity. If you were previously confused by the abundance of ideas and did not know which path to take, gradually the confusion will disappear. You will hear and feel your own truth more clearly than ever. So, Gemini, do not hold back. This is your time to connect, create, and speak with courage. Your words are like magic, and after April 10, they can change your entire destiny. 4. Well, the light is returning to you where it belongs, Leo. You were not born to hide in the dark. You were born to shine, to lead, inspire, and attract. But in recent months, you may have felt as if your light has dimmed. As if your efforts are not being noticed. As if your brilliance is fading, or as if your stage has gone silent. But when does the universe forget its brightest stars? After April 10, the cosmic spotlight will return, and it will be pointed directly at you. It is not just popularity or attention for the ego. It is recognition. Jupiter is energizing your house of creativity and leadership today. This means your talent, charisma, and bold ideas will begin to attract big opportunities. Whether you're an artist, entrepreneur, teacher, or someone with dreams and vision, this is your time to take center stage and claim it. Expect to be noticed at unexpected moments. Invitations may arrive. Your work may be noticed and praised in places you least expect. The opportunity you've been waiting for may be here. Think about it. A video you posted suddenly reaches the right audience. A job offer from someone who has been admiring your journey for a long time. A romantic interest may see your light. It's not just your physical appearance but the fire of your soul. It's not just luck. It's the universe returning all the energy you put out. But remember, don't back down. Sometimes even Leo forgets how loud his roar is. But not this time. Let yourself be seen, heard, and felt. Say you're invited. Share your story. Take the long-awaited step. This is not just a moment for you. The stars are giving you the whole stage, and Leo, when you step into the light after April 10th, don't look back. This time is yours. 5. Capricorn. You have reached a peak that will change everything. Capricorn, you have been climbing silently for a long time. While others are looking for the easy way out, you have chosen to take the difficult, slow, steady, and unyielding path. You have built your path, step by step, sacrificing short-term success for long-term success. And now, after April 10th, the universe is ready to reward you with a change that will enhance all your hard work. Jupiter's movement now coincides with your house of success and long-term vision. This means that there will be sudden developments in the areas where you have poured the most energy, career, finances, and personal legacy. But don't expect noise and praise. Your success will come in the way you always act, quietly but with great impact. You may receive unexpected recognition, a promotion, a deal, or an opportunity to lead something bigger than you ever imagined. Or maybe someone will finally see the depth of your foundations and give you the opportunity to expand them. For you, Capricorn, this moment is not just luck. It is an elevation of your status. Think about it. Your hard-earned project will be noticed by an influential person. You will receive a message that will prove that all your hard work was not in vain. Or you may decide to launch your own project, and suddenly it will sprout faster than you thought. The path you have been patiently walking is now becoming a highway to success. But remember this, don't hold yourself back just because you are humble. You deserve it. This is not the time to be small. The stars are lifting you up because you are ready for a higher stage. Trust your vision. Trust your gut feeling. Trust that the time has come. Capricorn, after April 10th, you will reach the top. But this top is not the end. It is just the beginning of another mountain. And this time, you have the wind at your back. Now that you have seen which zodiac signs are set to succeed after April 10th, the question is, how will you receive that energy? Because this is the truth. Even the brightest cosmic adjustments require an open heart, a ready spirit, and an open door to change. First and foremost, pay attention. The voice of the universe is not always loud. Sometimes it is just a whisper, a gut feeling, a dream you will never forget, an expected meeting that seems to have a deeper meaning. Trust those moments, they are not accidents. Next, clear space for those to come. That means letting go of beliefs that are holding you back, bad habits, or even people who are sucking your energy. When you let go of things that no longer serve you, you open the way for things that truly do. Clear your environment. Write down your desires or simply say, I am ready. The universe hears clear intent. Then, align your actions with your vision. Do you want success? Start acting like the successful version of yourself. You want